FIFISH Captain, a one-stop information platform. The platform is highly integrated and comprehensive, displaying images, sensor information, and the real-time status of cameras. With superior compatibility and extendability, FIFISH Captain integrates the functions of all FIFISH ROV's accessories on a single platform, greatly improving the user's operating efficiency and experience. Mission Log, detailed task recording, all new function to document your missions to the fullest. The mission log records all data generated from each diving operation. With a voice recording function, users can provide narration alongside their underwater operations and dives. Imaging sonar system, app quick display. Compared with the traditional imaging sonar display method, the FIFISH Captain's one-stop display platform delivers a more seamless and simple solution. FIFISH Captain integrates highly complex imaging sonar imagery and sensor data into one location with highly customizable parameters. Equipped with the new QySea underwater GPS attachment, users can freely switch between different attachment windows or fit all of the separate windows into one single display. FIFISH Captain is open to all users for free and is committed to creating a more comprehensive, capable, and efficient experience for industry professionals.